Help me! Help!
Kuya, hindi pa siya nagigising. Kuya, gising. Kuya, gising! Kuya, gumising ka! Ayan, okay na siya.
Si Paen ba yun? Yung sports star, panganay na anak ng pinakamayamang pamilya sa Manila?
Kailangan ko siguro mag-recover ng konti. Pero maliliit ako sa trabaho ko eh. Kuya, pakibantayan na lang ha. Salamat.
Balita ko, single pa raw si Pan.
Oh my God! Sige po, ako nang bahala. Kilala ko siya. Sige na, ako na. Sigurado ako. Sige na.
Sherlyn, this is your time to shine.
Oh my God, Pan! Please, gumising ka.
Sa wakas, oh my God, nagising ka na rin. You scare me to death.
Are you the one that saved me?
Of course! Ako yung nakakita sa'yo. Sobrang kinakabahan nga ako. Kasi hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. Pero okay ka na ba?
Bakit late ka na naman, ha? Babawasan ko na yung sahod mo.
Luna, in-game name niyo ni Lucia.
Of course!
Bakit late ka na naman, ha? Babawasan ko na yung sahod mo.
Sorry, Mami.
Nagrarason ka pa. Ang tamad-tamad mo, kaya ganyan, mahirap pa rin ang pamilya niyo. Wow, madam! First time ko makakita ng ganitong karaming magagamit gamit.
Well, regalo kasi yan sa akin ng boy. No. My future boyfriend.
Sino naman yung maswerte yung boyfriend na yan?
Siya si...
Hindi ka maghanap ng customer sa labas. Alis, sisira araw ko sa'yo.
Ang pogi naman nun.
Oo nga, parang artista.
Hi, Pan! Nakakaya naman. Ang dami mong dala para sa akin. Nagkapala ka pa.
Look, you saved my life. All of these mean nothing to me. Thank you.
Nakakainis ka nun. Sweet mo naman.
Did you get everything I asked for?
Don't worry, boss. Ayos na po lahat.
Sa'yo na yung lahat, ha? Kailangan ko na umalis.
Wait! Alis ka kagad? Kakarating mo lang. Can you stay here a little longer, Mama? I'll give you a tour of my restaurant.
Okay.
So, may gusto ka ba? Loko ka?
No?
Really? Papawisan ka na.
Hindi.
Oh, what is that?
Mobile Legends.
Naglalaro ko pala ng Mobile Legends. Luna, in-game name niya ni Lucia. So, pumunta siya rito para sa kanya. Titimplahan na lang kita ng kape, okay? Okay. O, ikaw? Asan sa akin? Mag-emit ka.
Oo, ma'am. Nilalaro ko dito usually after work.
Akin na nga yan?
Ma'am, teka lang. Hindi naman po ako naglalaro habang tatrabaho
When I said
eh.
no game is allowed, no game is allowed.
Teka lang. Hindi naman po ako naglalaro habang tatrabaho eh.
When I said no game is allowed, no game is allowed.
Luna, I want to meet you.
Actually, nagkita na tayo.
What?
Ako kaya yung nag-save sa'yo kanina. Binigyan na nga kita ng clue eh.
What? Really? I'm so sorry that I didn't recognize you.
Tatang ko na ako. Suyuin mo ko.
Please tell me what I can do to make it up to you.
preparing for the Miss Legends beauty pageant sponsored by Mobile Legends. How may you take the crown?
Are you Luna?
Yes, it's me. I'm the one you're talking to right now.
The one who saved me earlier.
Yes.
This smell looks so familiar. Siya ba yung niligtas ko kanina?
She looks so familiar. Your earring. Where's the other one?
Pan! Anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Malanti ka. Alam kong pinaplano mo sa boyfriend ko. Layuan mo siya. Sumasagot ka pa, ha? Pan! Anong ginagawa niyo rito? Ow!
Ma'am,
Ouch, Pan. Ang sakit. Na-injure data yung pa ako.
Don't move. I'll get you an ice packs. Stay here.
Ikaw, malanti ka. Alam kong pinaplano mo sa boyfriend ko. Layuan mo siya.
pasensya man pero hindi ako katulad mo.
Sumasagot ka pa, ha? Alam ko, mga karakas mo. Layuan mo ang boyfriend ko.
Sige, pero akin naman yung cellphone ko.
Ay, yung cellphone mo? Go back to your shabby little home at matuto ka muna paano mag-isang matinong tao. Get up! Get up!
Huwag kang humarang dyan. Kasi gusto mo yung girlfriend mo.
Di ko siya girlfriend. We're not in a relationship.
Bahala nga kayo. Baka...
Wait, don't go. I need to ask you something. Was it you who saved me earlier?
Pan! Ah! Ang sakit ng pa ako, Pan!
Are you okay? Hey, bring the car over here.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 2024 Miss Legends Beauty Pageant. Tonight, ang debut.
Proud ba kayo dyan?
Oo naman, naabangan nga namin yan.
Miss Grace, Miss Avon, and Miss Violet. The next one is the leading candidate in terms of
Allocated an additional 30 million in ads for Shilin.
Miss Sharon.
Boss, Shirley's ad campaigns have been launched nationwide.
Good. Just make sure she gets all the exposure. Don't let anyone get in her way of winning the crown.
Lucia! My family is...
Lasing, Lucia ba yan? Hindi natin napapansin dati.
Tigil ba siya?
Panirap talaga itong babaeng to sa mga plano ko. Magda ka talaga sa akin mamaya.
Miss Shirley, the question is, what is your aspiration in life?
Good evening, everybody. Aspiration. My family is my aspiration this time, and
Ano nangyari?
Yung pinagsasabi niyan, parang Diyos ko napahiya si Madam. Pinagtatawanan siya.
Boss, mukhang malabo ata manalo si Shirley na. Pagilin yung sagot.
Wow, that was very well said, Miss Sherilyn. So her aspiration in her life is her family.
I need to talk to you.
Then say it here.
Can you please back out? I'll do anything you want.
Kaya dalahan ni Shirley na dito, no? Nasayang mo lang oras mo.
Kahit ano gawin ko, ayaw kong patalit sa posisyon na to.
Basta, hindi mo naman maiintindihan eh. Pag lang na hindi mo alam ano po ba yung expert.
Wait, paano mo nalaman di ako marunong mag-swimming? Paano mo nalaman di ako marunong mag-swimming?
Next up for the Q&A, Miss Lucia.
Sorry, Lucia. Sorry. So sorry.
Here's your question. What does this competition mean to you?
Boss, did you handle it?
Shut up.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Joining and winning this competition is a love letter from me to the world. I want to tell the people that I love its fairness, that success is not only for the selected few, but for those who are willing to do the work for it. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was beautifully said. Now, I'm going to announce on ways how these lovely ladies can attain bonus points in this competition. Our esports star, Mr. Pan, will be joining our beautiful ladies in a Mobile Legends game. Ladies, who wants to join? Are you ready?
Magsisimula na nga ang abang-abang na show match. Ang player na magpapakita ng malagro na galing ay mag-feature bilang in-game battle emote sa MLBB. Ang nakapit na si Hana, gagawin niya si Akari with the 8th anniversary skin. Mukhang nakakakita na yung dalawang curve. Sino naman kaya ang pipiliin ni Saya? Wow! Sabi na isa pala siya. Gusto ko lang ito. Bukod pa dyan, inaantas na ang item build. Mukhang mamalit na may niyang laro itong gear na ito.
Only Luna would use this build setup. Only Luna would use this build setup.
Talaga namang flex ng skin si Shirley ha? Ang tanong, sino naman kayang hero ang pumipili sa lineup natin ngayon? Ayan, diot na nga ang lalaki Shirley. It's time to start the battle.
Fighter? Luna has never played fighter role before.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Malaki talaga ang stake para sa laban na ito, kaya kailangan galingan ang ating mga contestants. At makikita natin na nagpapasikat si Shirley sa next game, kaya makakainis ito. Mukhang hindi maganda ang para sa sabihin natin.
How can Luna not know how to use the in-game item? She can't possibly be.
Fran, assist mo ko dito. Tara, ito.
Nakakainin na lang ito. Ang sakit naman ang damage ng background. Sinamahan tayo na makakapagin sa akal. Ang gawas ng isasabi ko na sila. Dapat na naman ang synergy ni Hana ng siya at paano na kasi ng lalo. Kung wala naman katawa, hindi na makakasaya na makakaporas na lang ito dahil wala.
Victory!
We have our MVP! Congratulations!
Anong nangyari?
Nice to meet you, Hannah.
You too, Luna.
You always ruin my pets!
You've been pretending to be Luna and bullying Lucia from the start. How can I support someone like you for Miss Legend?
I don't care! Ikaw, kayong dalawa, magsama kayo pareho!
Yun na yun?
A few days ago, the Miss Legends beauty pageant came to a successful conclusion, with Miss Lucia being crowned the winner.
Congratulations, Miss Legend. Luna once told me she loves pandas the most.
Balik mo nga yan sa akin. Akin na! Ano ba?
Do you know why I like using a Kai? Because I want to use Luna's favorite character to protect her at all times. Luna, may I have this dance?
Cause I never thought I could be so in love. There's something about you, girl. Man, you made my head turn. You're the light of my life. Can't wait to kiss you every night. Cause there's something about you, girl, hanging on every word. There's nothing I wouldn't do, baby, when it comes to loving you. You walked into my life and changed my world. Man, there's something about you, girl. Everything about you was made for me.